afternoon, everyone. Thanks a lot for staying with Republic TV. I'm Shivani Gupta, and we continue to get you the latest from West Bengal. Remember, former TMC Minister Suvendu Adhikari and ex-TMC leaders who joined the BJP recently will be holding a mega rally at his bastion in Midnapur. This is a day after the TMC also held a rally there. My colleague Anuj has been tracking all developments and also the mood on the ground. These are some of the pictures that are also coming in. Let's go across to Anuj. Anuj, tell us more of what you're picking up, especially from the people. This move that Suvendu Adhikari has made, along with several other elected representatives formerly with the TMC, has shaken up the political alignment in the state. And more such resignations are continuing to happen. More such joinings in the BJP from the TMC are continuing to happen or will happen in weeks to go. So what more are you learning on the ground of the impact?
Well, let me give you the sense from the ground. This exactly, the visuals are speaking themselves, the kind of massive support what the BJP is getting on the ground level, you can clearly see. So that's something what we are understanding from the ground level, that Suvendu Adhikari, the former minister of Trinamool Congress, who has now joined Bharatiya Janata Party, and this is his first Padayatra after joining Bharatiya Janata Party. So the visuals are speaking themselves. Rather, we'll try and talk to the people to understand the mood, what exactly their mood is, what do they want. दीदी क्या आप बदलाव देख रहे हैं, आप लोग क्या देख रहे हैं? सुवेंदु की आज पहली रैली है। जी बोलिए। सुवेंदु, ममता दीदी और सुवेंदु के बीच में टक्कर हो गई है। These are the people whom we are trying to talk. We'll take more sound from the people. Let's go and talk to the people there, and there I'll ask the video journalist to continuously give you the sense. कैसे देखते हैं सुवेंदु यहाँ पे बदलाव हो रहा है क्या?
हाँ, बंगाल में बदलाव हो रहा है। दीदी का जो काली करा हुआ है वो किसी कोई अच्छा नहीं है, इसलिए हम लोग दादा है सुवेंदु अधिकारी
ये बदलाव हो रहा है क्या बंगाल के अंदर? आगे बदलाव हो रहा है क्या? ये बदलाव है क्या?
हाँ, बदलाव का संकेत है। तृणमूल सरकार हटना चाहिए और बीजेपी सरकार आना चाहिए।
हम लोग चाहते हैं बीजेपी सरकार यहाँ पे बनाए, और जो यहाँ की जो सरकार चला रहे हैं ना, बिल्कुल उससे हम लोग मुक्त होना चाहते हैं। हम चाहते हैं बिल्कुल मन से बीजेपी की सरकार यहाँ आए और हमें हर तरह की फायदा मिले। हम इसलिए सुवेंदु दा के साथ है, और हम जानते हैं सुवेंदु दा यहाँ पे आए हैं, हमारे पार्टी ज्वाइन किए हैं, और हम लोग जरूर सरकार बनाएंगे 2021 में। ये हमारा बिल्कुल जय श्री राम।
The kind of support we are seeing from the ground level, they are saying that they are with Bharatiya Janata Party and they want the time is to get changed, and that is something that you can clearly see how they are chanting Sri Ram, how they are in support of Suvendu Adhikari. This is the first rally of Suvendu. Let me tell you, after joining Bharatiya Janata Party, so that's the kind of support, massive crowd which has been gathered there on the track. I'll ask my video journalist to zoom in a bit and show you the visual of Suvendu Adhikari also, along with the local leaders. There Suvendu Adhikari is leading this Padayatra, is in this Padayatra, and this is a 3-kilometer long Padayatra we are seeing, and the visuals at this point in time are speaking themselves, the kind of support that Bharatiya Janata Party is getting from the ground level. Earlier, we have seen the same massive crowd in the rally of Amit Shah, that's the Home Minister in Midnapur, and this is East Midnapur, the bastion of Suvendu Adhikari. And again, we are giving you the visual. These are the live visual we are giving you from East Midnapur, and that's the Padayatra of Suvendu Adhikari. And let me remind you that the more leaders from Trinamool Congress, we have been told, more ministers from Trinamool Congress is expected expected to join Bharatiya
Yes.
Janata Party, and the kind of support we are seeing is really a change on the ground level, on the soil of West Bengal. Yes.
Yes, Anuj, very interestingly, what has also happened is that there was speculation that TMC would want to align with the Congress party for the upcoming state elections. Now, interestingly, the Congress has aligned with the left. How do the people in Bengal see that? Because that's also another major shake-up.
Well,
As far as the political alignments are concerned, the TMC is not only internally divided, it seems to be left alone.
Well, the opposition, the so-called opposition alliance of the center is not working at the state level. One thing is very much clear. On the other hand, if we talk about the state of West Bengal, particularly because this is the poll-bound state, and Congress has just now announced their alliance with the left party, so this is exactly the answer where we are understanding from the ground level. Earlier we know that this was red or green, but now the color is changing and we are seeing that different on the ground level. That's Bharatiya Janata Party and Trinamool Congress. If we talk about the fight at this point in time, if we talk about the current situation on the ground level of West Bengal, this is Mamata Banerjee and Bharatiya Janata Party. So Congress coming out in alliance with the left party is going to be wait and watch position that what exactly will be the outcome of the same. But at this point in time, if we talk about
Yes.
the situation on the ground level, then the visuals are speaking themselves. The visuals are very much clear from Midnapur East, where Suvendu Adhikari at this point in time is having his first Padyatra, is going through his first Padyatra after joining Bharatiya Janata Party. Let me remind you that in presence of Home Minister Amit Shah, this was Suvendu who joined Bharatiya Janata Party, and after that, the kind of support we are seeing, the kind of crowd gathering we are seeing is really a change on the soil of West Bengal. Yes.
Yes. Anuj, we'll keep coming back to you for more. Now, everything that is happening in West Bengal is turning into a face-off between the BJP and the TMC, and so were the celebrations at the Visva Bharati University earlier. That has become a matter of debate because the TMC claimed that the Chief Minister was not invited. They've changed their stance since, because it was clear that the Chief Minister was invited and well in time. But let's also listen to what the Prime Minister had to say as he attended this function.